Joe Miller here, A.S.I. Improvement Company. We are working on the North Branch Public Library here in North Branch, Michigan. Today is the 7th of January 2013, and you can see we got this building pretty well strapped off, and we've got some completion. We're about 2/3 done. But there's a great example of going over a single layer 3-tab. And this shingle, I'm not really sure how old it is, but it's showing failure, losing granules all over. They had a couple issues with leaks and blow-off, so hired us to fix the problem forever, and that's just what we're doing. And we turn the corner, and we'll be heading through that valley and back out. Joe Miller here, A.S.I. Improvement Company, signing off from North Branch, Michigan. As a note, I get a ton of people asking me about coils, and this should be a pretty standard coil. This job here takes 6 coils. It's about 8,000 linear foot. And that coil right there is pretty typical. It's 2,200 pounds, and I believe it's about 2,000 foot or 1,800 foot. But that's a pretty typical coil, just about a ton each, and we load them and run them. Here in North Branch, Michigan, where we did the North Branch Public Library, 26 gauge standing seam. This was done right over the existing single layer of shingles, and this came out real nice. A lot of people ask on the snow and the snow guards, and usually they find out after, but what we use is an S5 on these standing seams. They do not penetrate the roof. You can see it over that doorway, and they collect the snow, and they are actually a lifetime warranted product, and they work fantastic. A bit pricey, but when you find something that actually works, does its job every time, it's well worth it on these type of roofs. There's another problem. This was a main entrance in the back, and in the winter time, every time it snowed, they'd get 6 foot of snow in front of that door. So we put up the same S5 system, and of course now there's no snow at all falling on that doorway. Around to the side. And the finished product. Signing off from North Branch Public Library, Joe Miller, A.S.I. Improvement Company. Find us at www.lastroofever.com.